In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download and run a game from itch.io. First, type itch.io into the top of your browser. Next, use the search bar to find a game. Then, click on the game you want to download. Find and click on the download link. Depending on the file size, downloading may take a few minutes. Once your download is finished, you can find it in your downloads folder. If your download is a zip file, you can extract the contents by right-clicking on it and selecting Extract All. Once extracted, a new folder is created. Inside that folder, you'll find a .exe file that has the name of the game you just downloaded. Double-click to open it. And that's it! You now know how to download and run a game from itch.io.